A network is a collection of objects connected together in a specific way. They can represent real-life situations such as roads connecting houses, roads connecting cities, internet lines connecting buildings. It's a way to show the interconnectedness of a real-life situation. And here's just two examples of how they might look. Now, in a network, the objects are known as nodes, and that would be what these are. These circles that actually tell you what you're looking at are called nodes. Okay, so in your network, any bit of information, an object, a building, a city, will have a node, and they're connected by these, which are called arcs. So nodes are the object, and arcs are what connect them. And these numbers can represent various things when we're looking at a network. In this case, I'm talking about meters between buildings, and in this case, I'm talking about kilometers between cities. But either way, the numbers tell you how far it is, and the node tells you what it is. And the numbers are along the arcs to show you the path. In this example, you can see there's some arrows. When there's an arrow, it means that that's a single directional travel. So 1 can go to 2, but 2 cannot go back to 1. In this example, where there is no arrows, it's just free reign. Art can go to English, English can go back. It's important to note that a network is a simplified representation. So these straight lines does not mean it's a straight line between the buildings. We ignore things such as bends in roads or bends in buildings, and we just look at the direct path between the two buildings. So here, science to English, it might be a windy road. It might look something like this. However, we represent it with a straight line. Okay, so I'll leave these two definitions here while I work on this side of the board, just so I can remember that when we're talking about a network, a node is the object in the network. That is the building, the city, the car, whatever you're looking at. And the arcs are the paths connecting these objects. Now, as I said, when we draw a network, we simplify it, we take out bends in the roads. So there'll be a picture right here, and I'm going to design this picture into a network for us to work off. Okay, and here you can see is my network representing that map that is up somewhere around here. It represents the cities being connected together, and once I have this, I can then use this to model the situation, such as how would I get from P to C, and how to get there the quickest or the longest. And that's what I'll be looking at in a minute.